జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. When Sitama has seen Hanuma getting ready to go back, now Sitama, while moving to tears and with choked voice, Sitama saying to Hanuma like this, "O Hanuma, Kusalam Hanuman Bruyat Sahitau Rama Lakshmanau." Please tell Rama and Lakshmana that I inquired about their safety. O Hanuma, and also Sugrivancha Saha Amatyam. Also convey my inquiries to Sugriva, his ministers, and entire Vanara army, and also all the elderly Vanaras. O Hanuma, you please encourage and convince Sri Ramachandra Swami to take me away from here and get me relieved from this ocean of grief. O Hanuma, you are the one who can help me be alive. In order to help like that, you have to talk to Rama. Tat tadha Hanuman vachyam vacha dharmam avapnuhi. Hanuma, please do this help, convince Rama. If Rama has to start immediately, it's all depends on how you talk to Rama. And also whatever that I conveyed message for Rama, if you just tell the message to Rama as it is, definitely Rama immediately would start showing entire of his valor. O Hanuma, please help me. Like that, when Sitama saying Sirasyanjali Madhaya Vakyam Uttaram Abravit, Anjaneya Swami, while doing Namaskaram to Sita Devi, saying to Sitama like this, "O Sitama, Ramachandra Swami would definitely come immediately here, and he is going to be coming along with entire Vanara Sainyam. And he comes here and kills all the enemies, definitely he will relieve you. Sokam vyapanayishyati. He will relieve you from all this ocean of grief. O Sitama, martyeshu na asureshu sureshu va." Even in humans, even in asuras, even in devatas also. Yes, tasya kshipato banan. When Ramachandra Swami releasing his arrows in the battlefield, nobody can dare enough to stand in front of Sri Ramachandra Swami in the battlefield. I haven't seen who is that much daring. Nahi pasyami. I haven't seen anyone so far to that extent that who could stand in front of Sri Ramachandra Swami and face him in the battlefield. O Sitama, even if Surya comes, Indra comes, and even if Yama also comes, Rama definitely would conquer all of them. And in this situation, and for you, Rama is going to do anything that it is needed. Like that, Anjaneya Swami consoling Sitama and getting ready to go back. Hanuma pacifying, consoling Sita Devi, saying that, "Oh Sita Devi, Rama definitely would come here for you, and he will conquer this entire Lanka." When Hanuma said all these things, Sitama heard all those good words of Hanuma, felt very happy. And now Sitama noticing Hanuma is getting ready to go back. Sitama repeatedly seeing Hanuma and saying that, "O Hanuma, if you like, kasmischit samvrute dese vishrantasvo gamishyasi. Can you please stay back today? You can stay here itself in some place where nobody can see you." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. ರಾಮ ರಾಮ ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ 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 ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ರಾಜ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ರಾಜ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.